For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Car insurance in Florida can be expensive, especially with mandatory coverage requirements and various risk factors. However, with advancements in AI technology, it's now possible to leverage smart tools and data-driven methods to find affordable car insurance policies without sacrificing quality. Here's a comprehensive step-by-step guide to help you use AI effectively to get cheap car insurance in Florida. Step 1. Understand Florida car insurance basics. Before diving into AI tools, it's essential to understand Florida's car insurance requirements and factors affecting cost. Minimum coverage. Florida requires personal injury protection, PP, and property damage liability, PDL, at minimum. No-fault state. PIP covers your injuries regardless of fault, which can increase premiums. Factors influencing cost: age, driving record, location, vehicle type, credit history, and coverage limits. Knowing these basics helps AI tools tailor your insurance quotes better. Step 2. Gather your personal and vehicle information. To get accurate insurance quotes through AI-powered platforms, prepare the following details: driver's license number and personal info, age, gender, address. Vehicle details: make, model, year, VIN. Driving history, accidents, tickets, claims. Current insurance info, if applicable. Desired coverage levels. This info feeds into AI algorithms to match you with the best price policies. Step 3. Use AI-powered insurance comparison websites. One of the best ways to find cheap car insurance is through AI-driven comparison platforms. These sites use machine learning to analyze millions of policies, your profile, and insurer pricing models to show personalized quotes quickly. How to use? Visit reputable AI-based insurance comparison websites like the Zebra, Compared.com, or Gabi. Input your details accurately. Let the AI engine analyze your info against hundreds of Florida insurers. Review personalized quotes ranked by price and coverage. Why AI helps here? AI can predict your risk better than traditional methods and identify discounts or bundles you qualify for that humans might miss. Step 4. Leverage AI chatbots and virtual agents for advice. Many insurance companies and platforms now offer AI chatbots or virtual agents that can assist you 24/7 with queries and recommendations. How to use? On insurance websites or apps, interact with the AI chatbot. Ask questions like, what discount can I get? Or how can I lower my premium? The AI provides tailored advice, such as improving your deductible, bundling policies, or enrolling in telematics programs. These virtual agents help you optimize coverage to reduce cost without sacrificing protection. Step 5. Consider AI-based telematics programs. Many insurers offer usage-based or pay-how-you-drive insurance programs supported by AI and telematics devices or mobile apps. These monitor your driving behavior, speed, braking, mileage, and reward safe driving with discounts. How to use? Opt into telematics programs like Progressive Snapshot, State Farm Drive, Safe and Save, or others available in Florida. Install the insurer's app or plug in a device in your car. Drive safely and regularly to build your discount over time. Why this helps? AI analyzes your driving style in real time and adjusts your premium accordingly, potentially saving hundreds annually. Step 6. Use AI tools to identify discount opportunities. AI-powered platforms can scan your profile and past insurance history to suggest discounts you may not know about, such as multi-policy discounts, home and auto, good driver discounts, low mileage discounts, student or senior discounts, military discounts, defensive driving course discounts. You can also upload your driving record or previous insurance documents to AI tools to maximize these savings. Step 7. Employ AI-driven risk assessment apps to improve your profile. Some AI apps help you improve your risk score, a key factor insurers use to price your policy. How to use? Download apps that analyze your credit score, driving habits, and vehicle security features. Get recommendations on how to improve your risk profile, e.g., pay off debts, park in secure locations, take safe driving courses. Follow the AI's personalized tips to increase your chances of lower premiums over time. Step 8. Automate your insurance renewal and alerts with AI. AI tools can monitor your current insurance policy market and alert you when better deals appear. How to use. Register your current policy on AI-based insurance management apps. Receive notifications when prices drop or new discounts are available. Automate renewal reminders and price comparisons annually. This prevents you from overpaying and keeps you updated on the cheapest options as market rates fluctuate. Step 9. Use AI to negotiate or chat directly with insurers. Some advanced AI tools help you negotiate your premiums by simulating conversations with insurers or suggesting negotiation points based on your profile. How to use. Use AI negotiation assistants or apps designed for insurance customers. Input your current quote and competing offers. The AI drafts messages or scripts to negotiate with insurers for better rates. Engage with insurers using these AI-optimized strategies. Negotiation, powered by AI insights, can lead to unexpected savings. Step 10. Review policy terms and coverage with AI summary tools. Once you get quotes, AI document analysis tools can quickly review the fine print of your policy documents. How to use. Upload your insurance policy PDFs to AI contract review apps. The AI highlights hidden fees, exclusions, and coverage limits. Compare policies not just on price, but on value. This ensures you don't sacrifice necessary coverage just to get a cheap rate. Step 11. Consider AI-powered customer reviews and sentiment analysis. Before committing, check customer reviews of insurers using AI-powered sentiment analysis tools. How to use. Use platforms that aggregate reviews and use AI to score insurer satisfaction, claims processing speed, and customer service quality. Pick insurers with high ratings for both price and service. Good service reduces hassle and long-term costs from denied claims or poor support. Step 12. Finalize your choice and purchase online. After thorough AI-assisted research and comparison, select the insurance policy that balances price, coverage, and insurer reputation. Complete the purchase through the insurer's website or app. Confirm all discounts and telematics enrollments are applied. Keep your AI tools active to monitor and optimize your insurance over time. Bonus tips. How AI can help you beyond purchase. Claims assistance. Some insurers use AI to speed claims processing and payouts. Fraud detection. AI helps prevent insurance fraud, potentially lowering premiums industry-wide. Personalized advice. Continued use of AI apps can suggest upgrades or downgrades in coverage as your needs change. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.